The price you see on Hostinger's VPS page isn't necessarily the lowest price you can pay. Hostinger is already offering discounts of up to 70% on its VPS plans, but I also have an exclusive Hostinger VPS coupon code that gives you an additional 10% off the discounted price. In this video, I'll show you how to access the offer, apply the coupon correctly, and which VPS plan I think gives you the best value. To get started, click the first link in the description below. That'll take you directly to Hostinger VPS hosting. This is an affiliate link, which means I'm earning a commission if you purchase through it at no additional cost to you. Once you're on the Hostinger VPS page, go to the VPS hosting plan section. You should see 4 main VPS plans: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. Currently, Hostinger is advertising KVM1 for $649 per month, KVM2 for $879, KVM4 for $12.99, and KVM8 for $25.99 per month. But those prices are before applying my exclusive coupon code. With the additional 10% discount, the effective monthly prices can come down to approximately $584 per month for KVM1, $791 per month for KVM2, $1169 per month for KVM4, and $2339 per month for KVM8. Now, which plan should you choose? KVM1 includes 1 virtual CPU core, 4 GB of RAM, 50 GB of NVMe storage, and 4 TB of bandwidth. This can work well if you're running a smaller project, testing applications, learning VPS hosting, or you simply don't need a lot of server resources. For most people though, I would look at KVM2. You get 2 virtual CPU cores, 8 GB of RAM, 100 GB of NVMe storage, and 8 TB of bandwidth. That gives you considerably more room for websites, applications, Docker containers, automation tools like NAN, or other projects without immediately jumping to one of the more expensive plans. If you're running heavier applications or multiple demanding projects, KVM4 gives you 4 CPU cores, 16 GB of RAM, and 200 GB of NVMe storage. And KVM8 increases that to 8 CPU cores, 32 GB of RAM, and 400 GB of NVMe storage. Once you know which plan you want, click Choose Plan. This next step is important. Hostinger displays its pricing as a monthly equivalent, but the plans are paid up front based on the billing period you select. So don't just look at the monthly number. Check the total amount you'll be paying today and compare the available billing periods before completing your purchase. Once you've selected your billing period, find the coupon or promo code option during checkout, enter my exclusive Hostinger coupon code and apply it. You should then see the additional discount reflected in your order total. Make sure the coupon actually shows as applied before you submit your payment. That's especially important because the VPS plans are already discounted and my code is designed to bring the price down even further. Hostinger VPS also includes features like AMD EPYC processors, NVMe SSD storage, weekly backups, firewall management, a 1 GB network connection, and access to data centers around the world. You also get root access, which is one of the major differences between VPS hosting and regular shared hosting. That gives you much more control over the server, but it also means VPS hosting makes the most sense if you actually need the additional flexibility. If you just need a basic WordPress website, you probably don't need a VPS. But if you're hosting applications, running Docker, setting up NAN, managing higher traffic websites, or need more control over the server environment, Hostinger VPS can offer a lot of resources for the price. For most users who need a VPS, KVM2 is the plan I would start with because you get 8 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores without a huge jump in cost. And if you need more resources later, you can upgrade. If you want to get the additional discount, use the first link in the description and make sure you apply my exclusive Hostinger VPS coupon code before completing your order. Thanks for watching.